So today I'm showing you guys basically how I prepared and organized everything for my baby and a few items that I saved money on. So you guys already saw this if you watched in my last video, how I organized my baby's dresser. If you haven't seen it, I'll have the video linked down below or at the end of this video. You can watch it. I really like the system that I have. So this is my dresser and this is going to be my baby girl's dresser. And this is going to be where she changes her clothes, changes her diapers, and so I won't go into much detail of what's in the drawers. The diaper caddy is also featured in the dresser video, so I'm not going to go over that. Here is her changing pad. This is the one by Skip Hop. We have to just attach it to the dresser, but we'll get my husband needs to do that. And then as far as her extra things, there's a little spot here, so I've just been putting it there. And then I have left this out, this little corner here, because those are her newborn diapers that I still have to take out and put away in the diaper caddies, but I don't want to do it yet because I'm just weird like that and rather wait till she's actually here. So I just have them out for easy access, so when she's here I just rip it open, put in the diaper caddies, and caddies is plural because I have more than one diaper caddy, and you'll see it throughout the rest of the video of what I'm talking about. And then my postpartum things, but because I'm not for sure that I'm going to have a vaginal delivery, I just left everything there. I didn't want to set it opened up anything in case I had needed to return stuff. And then at this little corner, you know, honestly everything's not like tidied up and super clean and look like a magazine, because that's just how I live. If I were to do that, my place would only get messy and look the same in like 3 days. So this is the reality. Right here I have her pack and play, and the reason why I got a pack and play is because personally I just cannot co-sleep because I'm such an active sleeper. I don't want to hurt her. So when I got this pack and play for about, at the time of purchase it was $75, but I saw that the price did go up now. So I'm going to open it up to show you guys what it looks like. So if you're doing it the bassinet style, which is the upper part the baby will be in, you have to insert the 2 metal bars for a support of the base. Then you can finally put in the mat that the baby will lie on, which is difficult to do with one hand. Hold on. And this is what it looks like. And this is by Flisco. I do like the overall look of it. It's really modern looking, and the color, it isn't like the best quality. It's more on the cheaper end, but again, for the price that I paid for, it was worth it. So it's kind of like you get what you pay for, you know. Again, this is just for her to nap in. And then this is her toy shelf. It's Montessori inspired. So at the top here in this basket is going to be the first mobile that she'll be using. This is the Minari mobile. It's used for her newborn, since babies can only see high contrast, but I'll get back to that in another video. Montessori standards, her toy shelf is a little cluttered. When she's here and she gets like about a month or two, then I will probably put away some of her things. I mean, not that she'll even notice, or I might just leave it this way, but it has all of her activity and sensory toys that are appropriate for her age. And then I do have the Love Every playmat, which I received as a gift for my baby shower. That was on my baby shower. It seemed like a really great playmat. It's really aesthetically pleasing, and there's instructions on how to apply this mat throughout the stages of your baby's growth. Then in this ottoman here are storage for extra toys. I keep a blanket over because my dog, he likes to rub his body on this. So this is some of her extra toys, and I got some extra bins and baskets in there. It's a little bit of a mess and it doesn't look like it's set up, but let's start with the crib. This is the Dream on Me mini crib, and I do have a video on this. To assemble everything, it's a little hard. You just really need to have patience and follow the directions. I managed to put this all together myself. My friend got this for me for as a part of my it was on my baby registry. And then she's not going to be sleeping in this crib until about 5 months, because we're going to have her in the Halo bassinet, which will be alongside my bed. So I just kind of threw everything in here, and later I will clear it out when she's ready to sleep in here. But I do have a DockATot, which, believe it or not, I didn't pay full price for it. I actually got it. I managed to find this DockATot at the thrift store way before the pandemic had started, and then I switched out the old cover because I didn't like the old cover and bought this brand new white cover. Nursing pillow because she barely used it for her kid, so I have that, and I washed everything. We bought the Angel Care bath support. I like this idea because everyone says that it doesn't collect as much, it doesn't get dirty, like it doesn't get mildew and mold on it, and it's very easy to clean. So anything with that, that is helpful. And then these are her other Montessori mobiles that I finished for her. There's one more that I need to finish up, and then my husband just needs to make the mobile hanger for her, and I just keep it there for now because I'm waiting to make more storage in another ottoman that's outside, but it'll be a long time more, about a month more hopefully, before I can make storage, because the storage needs to go into another storage place. And yeah, I know that maybe it doesn't make sense, but basically it's there because I don't have storage right now. And then here we have the 4Moms Mamaroo, and this is the, I think it's the latest model, where it has the Bluetooth at the bottom and you can Bluetooth it from their phone. I bought this secondhand for $70. This is the plug that comes with it to plug it in and get it moving. This insert didn't come with it. This is just an insert that you can use for like the bouncers and whatnot, but I'm going to try to put it in here. I think it should be okay. It's the black color. It didn't come with the hanging piece, but it's not like she needs it because she has so many mobiles. You know, she has the Montessori mobiles and then the Lovevery mobiles, so this is fine. The thing about this is if you're going to buy it secondhand, it's really great because to remove, all you're doing is removing this, the part where they sleep and sit in, and all you do to remove it is there is a button, a little snap over here, okay, and it snaps out like that, and then the zipper, which is right here, and then you just zip it all the way around like this. Other side has the zipper, unzip it, and the whole thing comes out. You just wash this entire thing in baby detergent, and then this whole frame, I know we have a grandfather clock there that I'm also trying to get rid of but again, there's no storage at the moment. And then you can just sanitize all the plastic pieces. So how I sanitize my items is for the plastic and metal parts, I first do Clorox to disinfect, and then I'll get a soap and water and dry cloth, and I'll do a second wipe down. This right here is for the seatbelt where you would buckle them in. I still need to clean this part too. But other than that, if you get a 4Moms Mamaroo secondhand, it's really easy to clean and it's worth it, because normal price of these are like $240 or $230 if I'm not mistaken, and I only got mine for $70, and that's without the mobile, and it works like a charm. We have the Bumble, but the Bumble is not going to be here. It's going to go in the closet. My husband just needs to put it there. And then for the diffuser, I did go with the Frida diffuser. It's a 3-in-1. It's a light and it's a diffuser and it's a humidifier, and it has a really big tank, and I like that this part can move, so you can adjust where you want the flow to go. And then we have our TV setup, which sits on a 6-inch 6 cubicle, and in these 2 baskets that I got from Amazon in a set of I think 8, I have extra clothes, extra sleeping things, so that when we're in the room we don't have to go back outside to grab like extra diapers and wipes. These are extra bedding sheets. This is for the Halo bassinet. Extra blankets, extra wipes. And this is also that we don't have to go and walk all the way back to her dresser, so that will save us some energy. And then on my nightstand I have the Hatch sound machine. This is another caddy. So this is her second caddy that's for the bedroom, and I have this mattress pad here because whether or not if you're getting a C-section or a vaginal, because you're going to be bleeding, so that the bed, I don't get the bed dirty. And then I'm just going to put her diapers, wipes, and nursing pads in here. But you would need some type of organization caddy next to your bed, because they sleep with you for, or if you plan to sleep, which I'm sure majority of you guys plan to sleep with the baby in the room, you're gonna need it. And then the Halo bassinet will go here. So the Halo bassinet is another thing that I bought secondhand. I do have a video on this of how to clean every single part. You can take this entire thing apart and clean everything. So again, I removed all the material fabric parts and I washed it, and then the metal pieces and plastic pieces I did my sanitation, which is Clorox disinfect and then a second wash of soap and water and then a dry cloth. And this is the My Snuggly insert. There are 2 inserts, one that's made by Halo and the other one that's made by a brand called My Snuggly. I got the My Snuggly because it had better reviews, and I got it secondhand. It was like new condition. I mean, it looks pretty much brand new, and then I just washed it. And then what this is intended for is for a newborn insert, so it kind of keeps them in place and prevents a lot of rolling around. And this entire material is mesh. You see the side panels to kind of keep them in one place. Hopefully there is a peekaboo window so that you can see through like that when the baby's lying down. These hooks that hook on to the frame of the bassinet, it is a little difficult to put on, so just a warning, but it does work if you put it on correctly. And then if you were to remove it, you just pop it right off. And at the bottom I bought a waterproof mattress pad for the Halo bassinets pad. So this is it right here, and this is by the brand Eli and Company. I'll link it down below. It's waterproof and it fits the Halo bassinets pad perfectly. I wanted it to be waterproof because the only thing that you cannot wash is the mattress pad of the Halo bassinets. This is a bottle sterilizer and dryer that I got from Papalic. It's really great because it's super big and you can just fit a lot of things compared to other brands. I have a video on this, so I'll have that link down below too. Bottle brushes, and then all her bottles are in here. And that is pretty much it. My mom made this blanket for her, and she made about 6 other blankets in her hand sewn. Hand sewn is the best. It's so customized, and it's just really cute to have hand sewn blankets. Anyways, thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.